Hi there, I'm really excited to do the unboxing of Lux Luxury Oil skincare products that I recently ordered. The box just arrived and I can't wait to open it. So I ordered two products from Lux Luxury Oils and I really wanted to try these two products, and I got three products free because the brand was running an offer on their site wherein which you would buy two products, and if your cart reaches a particular amount, you are entitled to get three products free. Muft. It has such a nice ring to it, that word muft, the right word, the word free. So this video is going to be a first impressions kind of a video because I am unboxing and checking the products for the first time. I have used Lux Luxury Oils Deep Nourish Balm in the past, and I have really liked that product. I am a fan of that product, and I did a detailed review video on that product as well. I'll leave the link in the description box below in case you want to check out. So let's unbox. Okay, so first product is Radiance Hydrating and Brightening Sleeping Face Mask. It is one of their new launches. My night cream was over, so I really wanted to try this one. Let me first quickly read what they claim and what it has. This lightweight gel-based sleeping mask sinks into your skin within a few minutes and soothes, brightens and nourishes it overnight. It's packed with brightening prickly pear and licorice extracts, which gives your skin a radiant glow in the morning. Ceramide-rich oat kernel oil and gotu kola add a boost of hydration, repairing and soothing your skin while you sleep. So let's open it and see. Wow, so this time they have a metal spatula. Oh, I really like this one. Very nice. Now this comes in their signature glass tub. I really appreciate brands that provide spatulas with their product because it makes it so much more easier to dig the product out, and it makes it so much more convenient and hygienic as well. So let's just see the product. It has a very gel-like consistency. Wait, let me show you. I don't want to spill it. I can't tilt the tub and show it to you, otherwise the product will come spilling. And so I am showing you what is there on the cover, the lid of the tub. So this is the product. I hope you can see it clearly. Okay, it has a very runny consistency. Smells really nice. So this is the texture. It is really very lightweight, and it is giving a calming and cooling effect to the skin. And it has a very soothing fragrance, very nice fragrance. I'm excited to use this one because I have a very dry and dull skin, and everything that claims to give a brightening effect to the skin, I am instantly drawn towards that product. The product seems promising, and I'll share my thoughts on Instagram after using it on my face. So do follow me on my Instagram. My handle is pep.at40. The next product I got is also Lux Liquid Lip Balm. This is my first time using a liquid lip balm. I've never ever used a liquid lip balm in my life. So let's open it and see. I'm sure you must have seen its packaging on the product, on the brand's site, but let me just show it to you for the sake of it. It doesn't really have a smell, and this is the texture. I hope you can see. It is neither too thick nor too thin. Feels really nice and nourishing on the skin, and you can use this product as is, and it will give a very nice sheen to your lips. And you can also use it as a lip topper to give a glossy effect to your matte lipstick. Right now I'm wearing a matte lipstick, and let me put it on top of my lipstick and see how it looks. लेकिन इससे आपकी लिपस्टिक का कलर ब्रश में आ जाएगा. What do you say? It is giving me a very nice glossy finish, and I really like it. I'm excited to carry this around in my purse. Now is the time for 3 sample-sized freebies. So the first one I have here is Radiance 24 Karat Gold Hydrating and Brightening Face Gel. I think this is also one of their new launches. And this tiny tub of the product. We open, and I love the fragrance of it. This is the texture. I hope you can see it. The texture is neither too thick nor too thin, and it is very hydrating indeed. It is very soothing and very moisturizing. I'm really liking the feel of it on my hand, and I can't wait to try it on my face. And the fragrance is wow, it's really organic and calming to the senses. This is such a cute tub to carry around when you're traveling. These sample size products, I think they should be made regularly for travel purposes. The next sample size product is the Rose Nectar. It is the face and body spritz. The Rose Nectar. It comes in this tiny glass jar and it has a very mild fragrance of rose, and it's such a cute tiny bottle, perfect to carry around when you're traveling. I'm saying this again and again. I really wish I could travel with all these products. And the third and the last freebie is Radiance Beauty Boosting Face Elixir. It is their facial oil, which is one of their best sellers as well. Such a tiny, cute little thingy. I've heard a lot of good things about it. Let's just see. It has such a beautiful consistency. It is getting absorbed into the skin so quickly, leaving a very beautiful, healthy, glowing sheen to the skin. Oh my god, I cannot wait to use this one in particular, and I'm sure I'm gonna order the big size of this product. I order my skincare products very carefully so that I do not waste them. I do thorough research before I pick them, and so that I keep using them and I keep coming back to them. If you have used any of these products, do let me know what you think of it, and whenever I will try, I will definitely let you know what I think of these products. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is fab.at40, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.